Hey, who are you? Haha, I'm Python. Then will you swallow me? Yes, I am. Oh god. Haha, I'm not. Just kidding. What would you do then? I can solve problems. That's great. My car is broke down. Will you repair it for me? Haha, problem in the sense I can solve virtual problems. I see. But how? I'll explain. I'm Python. Yeah, I know. Okay. I'm a high level programming language. Wait. What high level means? High level means you don't have to worry about memory allocation and the code is more clear, human readable, and close to English. Okay, that's good. Next, I'm an interpreted language model, which means I can operate in different operating system with same source code. Oh, how it's possible? I'm having something called Python interpreter, which reads the source code and converts it into intermediate form called bytecodes. The bytecodes are platform independent. Okay, but the system only can read and understand machine code, right? Now, the Python virtual machine comes into play and converts it into machine code. Okay, I want more clear explanation. Okay, let's see. This is a source code which is in the form of human readable format. I think you can read and understand it. After it going through the interpreter, it converts into something called bytecodes, which can't be understood by human beings. Uh, it can be readable by Python virtual machine. The Python virtual machine converts it into machine code, which is in binary digits. According to the platform, it is going to execute, like Mac or Windows or Android. The machine code will change. The Python virtual machine can do necessary operation to convert it into machine code. The machine code then sends back into central processing unit. The central processing unit executes the machine code and give the results back into the uh, machine code format. The results are stored in the memory. The Python virtual machine takes the results from the memory and converts it into bytecode back. The bytecode are again converted into source code format, which is in human readable format. Those are displayed in the result. If uh, if you include a print function or call the print function in your source code, the CPU orders the output device to output the result. Okay, got to know how you are working, but I have no other problem than repairing my broke down car. Oh, thank you. I'm going to heat.